Hi guys, to receive this set of 2-pack table lamps for reviewing purposes, so let's take everything out of the box. Okay, it comes actually really well protected with foam and everything. These are the lampshades. We get included all the light bulbs. Okay, in total these lamps use 4 light bulbs, 2 on this part and 2 on this other side. Okay, this one of the light bulbs. And we have the user manual, okay, with the installation diagram, which I think it's nice. And these are the main units, okay. As I've said, they come really well protected, as you can see. So let's go ahead and start assembling it. Let's see how they work and how they look. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed. I think they are really nice. As I've said, you can just touch them to turn them on, and we have 3 different intensities. Okay, as you can see, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, and just by touching it we can turn it on and off, that part that goes underneath, and to turn on this part we just turn this knob. Okay, which I think it's really nice. You can have any combination that you like this just part on, or like this, depending on the intensity that you need, which I think they're really nice. They look amazing. They have this really nice style, and both of them have in this part a Type C and Type A USB ports, which I think it's really nice. As you can see, here it is, which makes it convenient to have beside your bed or wherever you want it. I think it's a nice feature having these 2 USB ports ready and accessible, and overall I like them a lot. They have a really interesting industrial-like design, which I find really amazing, and overall I like it a lot and I will really recommend them. See you guys.